Hello students and friends, welcome to my YouTube channels. Today I am going to solve the projectile problems. Already two problems we did. So today now one more type of problems in the projectile. So what is given this question? A particle is projected with a velocity of 20 meter per second in air at an angle alpha. So point of projection. This is the range. Trajectory. This is the velocity, initial velocity. This is alpha. What they are asking? A particle is projected with a velocity of 20 meter per second. So you given 20 meter per second in an air, an angle alpha with the horizontal. So what is angle of projections? Velocity with respect to angle of projections in an angle of projection. So x and y is coordinate. X and y is coordinate. This is the y. This is the axis coordinate of a point lies on the trajectory. This is called trajectory. This is called trajectory. Space TGT or y. Trajectory. This is called trajectory. So trajectory is particle with respect to the point of projections 20 meter. 20 meter is x, given 20 meter, and y is given 8 meter. They are asking what is the angle of projections. They are asking what is the angle of projections. So this we can find by the projectile equation or trajectory equations. We can find these solutions of trajectory. So what is given here? Given data, what is velocity given 20 meter per second, and let alpha be the angle of projection. Angle of projection and coordinate given x given 20 meter, y given 8 meter. So what is the trajectory equations? So we know that trajectory equation y is equal to x tan alpha minus gx square by 2u square cos square alpha. This is the equation of the 2u square cos trajectory equation. Now substitute this value. What is the value here? Y is given 8, x is given 20, tan alpha minus g you can say 9.81, x given 20, so 20 square divided by 2 into velocity 20 whole square into cos square alpha. We substituted all the value. Now we will solve this. 8 equal to 20 tan alpha minus this, all the numerical value will calculate this part. If this part will calculate this part will calculate this value is coming 4.905. This coming 4.905 divided by cos square alpha. Now if we take 1 by cos square alpha, we can write sec square alpha, and again sec square alpha is equal to 1 plus tan square alpha. This we will write here. So okay, we will write that implies 8 is equal to 20 tan alpha minus 4.905. Okay, one steps we write sec square alpha. Next steps what we will write? 8 equal to, here itself directly you can write sec square alpha 1 plus tan square alpha. Okay, for understanding write one more steps, no issue. Tan alpha minus 4.905 1 plus tan square alpha. Now what we will do? This will multiply for both. One more steps you write. 8 equal to 20 tan alpha minus 4.905 4.905 into 1. So this minus, because this minus minus plus, minus plus minus. So 4.905 10 square alpha. You can write now. Now this whole right side we bring the left side. So what will come? This for second degree equations. So arrange in this order. First second degree equations, what is 1.905 10 square alpha. Then second degree equation 20. So bringing this side, so this minus become plus. Now this will come minus 20 10 alpha. Then you will bring this side here. So minus this side will come plus 8 plus 4 12. So it will come plus 12.905. Then this side all brought this side, so it equal to 0. So this became in the form of quadratic equations. What is form of the quadratic equation? Suppose ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is called second degree equations. What is the quadratic formula? Suppose x value here what is? Minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. This we used so many videos I did. So this formula I used. Always second degree equations we are finding the root from these equations only. So see this. If you know this, substitute this our value. So here see a, this is b, this is c. 10 square alpha nothing but x square. 10 alpha nothing but x. This is constant, so constant. So that means what we can write? A is equal to here 4.905. B is equal to what we can write? Minus 20. C is equal to what we can write? 12.905. Now what we'll do? We'll substitute in this formula. So then here ax square, so x equal to, here we'll get 10 alpha value. Here 10 alpha, x is nothing but here 10 alpha. 10 alpha, so minus b, b is negative, so it will come plus minus root under minus 20 whole square, so it will come finally plus only, minus 4ac, so no minus, so 4 into 4.905 into 12.905 divide by 2a, 2 into 4.905. So if we'll solve this, 10 alpha is equal to what will come? 10 alpha is equal to 20 plus minus, this I will rub it, this already we show you. So 20 plus minus, or you can write here from the top. So bottom one steps we can write. So from there 10 alpha equal to 20 plus minus, this will solve, fully this will solve. It is coming 146.81. 146.81 root under by 9.81. 2 into 4.9 is coming 9.81. This 400 minus this value, if we will subtract, this coming this one. So this finally 20 plus minus, if you will take the square root, it is coming 12.08 divided by 9.81. So now we got 10 alpha. Now already second degree equations we have two roots. If second degree equation is there, we have two roots. So 10 alpha 1 is equal to what we can write? 20 plus 12.08 divided by 9.81. So this value will get. Then 10 alpha 2 is equal to 20 minus 12.08 divided by 9.81. So first how much will get this value? This value will come, already we calculated, 3.27. 3.27. Here it will come 0.81. So this 10 alpha 1, 10 alpha 2, I know this. So I will rub it this problem here and will write here final answer. So what we got here? First 10 alpha 1. 10 alpha 1 is equal to 3.27. So that implies alpha 1 equal to 10 inverse 3.27. So alpha 1 you will get here. How much we got the alpha 1? Alpha 1 we got 72.99. 72.99. So approximately we will write 73 degree. Approximately we will write the 73 degree. Now next you see this 10 alpha 2. 10 alpha 2, how much we got here? 0.81. So 0.81. So that implies what we write, alpha 2 is equal to tan inverse 0.81. So if you do the calculator now, shift, then tan, then this value, you will get this. How to operate this? Calculator, you press for shift, then after shift you just write this 10, then this value, then you will get the answer. So this coming 38.9 degree. This is coming 30.9 degree. So this way we can find the angle of projection for this. Okay, thank you students. Subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you.